Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to face the biggest retirement crisis in history. What you have to know is what's happening right now is all by design. We have surging inflation, an aging population, and also surging debt. And over the long term, this is going to have big consequences for the economy. So in today's video, I want to go over their plan to make sure you work till you drop. And I'll also go over in today's video about what it's really going to take for you to retire. So everyone, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it. First things first, this is something we have to pay attention to, everyone. Some US pension plans warn they're going to run out of money by 2028. And this is something I don't think anyone is preparing for, but it is a scenario we do have to start preparing for right now. And it's definitely looking more and more likely since the stock market crash of 2008 and the stock market crash of 2020. Also, something that's going to have a big burden on taxpayers and the economy is an aging population. Look what's going to happen to the population by 2040, everyone. Look at this, everyone. This is the number of people 65 and over and also 85 and over. We can see right now it's at 47 million and 7 million, but by 2040, it's going to increase to 65 million and 15 million. Now, you may think this is a boring statistic, but again, the reason why we have to pay attention to this, because an aging population, what they normally do is they normally downgrade their lifestyle. They normally sell off lots of assets, and they also lower their consumption by a massive amount. So what that means is the government is going to have to find more and more ways to tax you with what we're already seeing now with the new IRS tax laws. And why this could be bad for the markets is you're going to see more and more baby boomers that have huge amounts of wealth going to have to sell off their assets, also maybe their homes as well, because that's their largest asset for most average Americans, and they have a lot more wealth right now compared to the millennial generation. But again, going back to what the Federal Reserve and the government are doing to make sure you never retire is they're increasing the cost of living and inflation at the fastest pace in 40 years. And also what retirees used to be able to do 30, 40 years would just be invest their money in bonds and get a good return of say 6 or 7%. But now they're forcing retirees into riskier and riskier assets like stocks. And maybe millennials' future pension funds will involve doggy coins and meme stocks. Now let me show you something that's very powerful that shows the dream of retirement is dead forever. Now say for example, you may think that you could retire on $1 million today. It won't be a very luxurious lifestyle. You'll definitely be better off than most in retirement. But say for example, if you withdraw 4% of that per year, that would be just $40,000 per year for you to survive in retirement. But here's the big issue, and here's what they're doing to make it so you can never do this, everyone. Say for example, you're watching this and you're 35, or say for example, you're watching this and you're planning to retire in 30 years. Well, let me show you a calculation of how much you will need in 30 years to buy the same amount of goods and services $1 million gets you today. Look at this, everyone. This is a calculator. Say for example, you need $1 million in retirement, but you're not going to retire for 30 years. And with inflation right now at 7%, guess how much you'll need in 10 years, say for example, to buy $1 million worth of goods and services now. You will need $1.9 million. Now let's look at how much money you need in 20 years to buy $1 million of goods and services today. You will need $3.8 million to buy what $1 million gets you right now. And again, if you're watching this and you're planning to retire in say 30 years, in 30 years, you will need $7.6 million to get you what $1 million gets you today. So all these financial gurus and these retirement planners that are telling you, don't worry, just save and invest $500 a month at an average return of 9.5%, guess what? You'll be a millionaire in 30 years. But what they're not telling you is with inflation at the rate it is now, in 30 years, $1 million will probably just be someone's good salary. But you may say, well, I've got a 401k as well. But again, people, that's not going to be enough. Look at this. Let's say, for example, you're 37 and you're going to retire at 67. So let's say, for example, your income is 50,000, you're saving 8%, and your current savings in your 401k is 30,000, and you expect an income increase of say 2%. And your income required at retirement is going to be 90% of your current income. And you're going to want your income in retirement to last 20 years. Well, when you retire at say 66, you will only have 640,000, and this is only going to last 8 years until you are 75. So your 401k isn't going to save you either, everyone. And we're seeing with Social Security or people's pension of say, for example, $1,000 to $1,200, that won't even cover rent, food, and utilities in many areas. So can you see the math there, everyone? they are going to make it impossible for you to retire. And they don't want you to retire. They want you working more and more, paying more tax so they don't have to pay you your benefits. And for all the people that are in retirement right now and they may think they're okay at the current expenses, well, inflation is going to make the cost of living get higher and higher for these retirees, and their retirement savings are losing purchasing power at a rapid pace. So you may say, okay, well, what's it going to actually take for me to retire in these current circumstances? Well, it's going to take some massive action for you, everyone. You're going to have to find a very high paying job, or you're going to have to find a way to start a successful business, because there's no way on the medium income you're going to be able to retire. And that's just the cold hard truth, everyone. So let's do a quick calculation to see how much you're going to have to save and invest every month to reach that $7.6 million of what will get you equivalent of $1 million today. Look at this, everyone. It's going to take you to invest $4,000 every month for the next 30 years with an average return of 9.5% to hit a goal of 7.3 million, which will only get you what $1 million gets you today. Now let's say, for example, you are lucky, you work hard, you get a high paying job, or you start a successful business and you put money away, but then you retire at an unlucky time and the stock market crashes 30 or 40%, well then there's most of your retirement savings gone like that. So everyone, this is a very worrying trend, and this is why the Federal Reserve has to do a big monetary reset. This environment of 0% interest rates and high inflation can't go on forever. And what we really need them to do is lift interest rates to get inflation under control. And we really need deflation for anyone to have a chance of retirement. And also we need interest rates to go back up to say 5 or 7% to get this inflation down. And then also retirees could actually get some decent income without taking on huge risk in investing in individual stocks or equities. Because while it seemed like they only go up over the past 12 years, this isn't the case over a long period of history, everyone. So everyone, you can't rely on the government to save you. You can't rely on your pension, your 401k, or your social security. You're going to have to start preparing for retirement right now before it's too late. Now, for all my loyal viewers and subscribers still watching, you're awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.